Welcome, in front of me is a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, pull down your notification panel and locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is right over here. Once you do that, hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings. So from here we can go to Priority Only Allows, which is the first setting, and we have allowance for events, reminders. So those are just different things that will interrupt you, like pop-ups and sound notifications. Then we have messages, so you can receive messages from anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one. And below that we have calls, which has the same options as messages, with the difference of calls having this little checkbox right here. So repeated callers, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will actually be able to reach you completely bypassing the setting right here. So as you can see right now it's set to none, so by the definition of this setting, no one should be able to call me no matter how much they try. But if I check this on and they call me twice within that period, they will get through. Now it's a good setting in terms of emergencies. It will allow someone to reach you and get your attention if someone is really desperate to do so. Then we have automatic rule, which is basically a schedule. So you have a couple of pre-made ones, so weekend, weeknights, events. You can also add your own if you want to. Again, choose time rule or event. I'm gonna go with a time one. This one is the one that allows you to set up days of the week and start and end time. So going back to it, days of the week, choose whichever day of the week you want the Do Not Disturb mode to turn on during, and then start and end time. And from there, once you save it and leave it, it will automatically be enabled, as you can see right here, on, while all the rest is off. And if you don't want it, you can go back to it and disable it like so. And going to the last option, block visual disturbances right here, we can just block pop-ups if you don't want them. And once you're done with the setup, you don't actually have to ever come back to the settings ever again, because if you want to enable it manually, you can do so by simply tapping on the toggle. It does give you this option right here, so until you turn off, or for a specific amount of hours, which you can add right on the get-go, and then click on done, and this will enable the mode. And once you're done with it, if you went with the timed route, you don't really need to do anything, just wait for the time to pass. But if you went with the option until turn off, then you will have to go back and tap on the toggle again to turn it off. And that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.